And now, we present the ultimate addition to our selection, a drone that's sure to blow you away. Recently showcased at the International Defense Exhibition ADX, this drone is specifically designed to take down small moving targets within a 1-kilometer radius. With one charge, it can fly for 15 minutes or up to 30 with additional batteries. Urban environments are no match for this drone, thanks to its vertical takeoff feature. Each set includes 3 drones, a control unit, batteries, a charger, and a backpack, all of which can be carried by a single soldier. It's no wonder that the Israeli army has already utilized this impressive technology, and it's also generating interest from the United States. Get ready to witness the next generation of warfare. Israeli specialists have unveiled their latest creation that can revolutionize troops' attack and maneuvering capabilities. Meet the Kamikaze drone, a single-use drone with a 2-kilogram payload. This compact and lightweight drone fits easily into a backpack and can be launched with a single hand. With a range of 10 kilometers or 20 minutes and an impressive speed of 286 kilometers per hour, the Kamikaze drone also has the ability to track a target and hover in place. Unsurprisingly, the U.S. Department of Defense has already taken an interest in this new technology and has signed a contract with the manufacturer. For shooting enthusiasts, EOTech is a company that needs no introduction. Their latest offering, showcased at the SHOT Show 2023, is a compact laser sight that's the size of a deck of cards. It's powered by a single CR123 battery that can last for up to 9 hours, making it a reliable companion for any shooting excursion. The sight is available in both red and green, with the latter being more visible in daylight and poor weather conditions. Additionally, the device comes equipped with a unique divergence adjustment system for the infrared illuminator. Initially, the full version will be exclusively available for law enforcement and military personnel this year, priced at $2,200. However, in 2024, a shorter-range civilian version will be made available for purchase, with pricing yet to be disclosed. The South Korean Redback IFV is certainly impressive, but it's the Israeli Spike LR2 missile system that really caught our attention. This versatile weapon is capable of taking out vehicles, tanks, and fortifications alike. With a range of up to 5.5 kilometers from a ground-based launcher and up to 10 kilometers when mounted on a helicopter, the Spike LR2 packs a serious punch. It even has an artificial intelligence system that allows the operator to track small or evasive targets with ease. This missile system can be configured to penetrate up to 20 centimeters of reinforced concrete before designating its target, making it an ideal choice for a variety of military applications. Watch it in action and see for yourself why the Spike LR2 is the ultimate choice for modern warfare. In Germany, Rheinmetall, a company well known to many of our avid fans, has unveiled a true icon of the future, the Fox Evolution. This armored personnel carrier is the successor to the highly regarded and proven original. Engineers have kept their focus on the key factors of mobility, reliability, and protection. Thanks to the platform's versatility, the APC can easily be transformed into a variety of vehicles, including an ambulance, engineering vehicle, or electronic warfare system. With a powerful 455 horsepower engine, the Fox Evolution can reach a top speed of 100 km per hour, while also boasting a payload of up to 9 tons. Plus, it's good to know that the Evolution will be fully supported for at least 20 years, ensuring no shortage of spare parts and maintenance options. This is the future of armored vehicles. Have you heard of the Nebo U? It's an incredible piece of technology from Russia that's making waves in the world of airborne object detection and tracking. The Nebo family consists of several versions, each designed for air defense and ground forces. The latest models are capable of detecting targets up to 1,800 kilometers away and at altitudes of 1,200 kilometers, that's some serious range. Even hypersonic missiles and fifth-generation aircraft are no match for this powerful radar. When paired with the S-400 surface-to-air missile system, it becomes an unstoppable force. Don't let its large size fool you, the Nebo is still easily transportable thanks to its specially designed containers. It's no wonder this technology is causing such a stir. Introducing the latest innovation in military technology from South Korea, an unmanned infantry support vehicle that's turning heads in the US market. Recently presented at a military base near Seoul, this electric model boasts an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers and can carry a payload of up to 550 kilograms. But what really sets it apart are its cutting-edge internal components, featuring state-of-the-art technologies that are the hallmark of South Korean products. Equipped with a neural network, this vehicle can quickly detect and track enemy soldiers, as well as respond to gunshots. Plus, it can handle off-road driving and is perfect for operations involving both manned and unmanned vehicles. This game-changing vehicle is sure to make waves in the world of military technology. Israel continues to push the boundaries with their latest drone technology, and the AI-powered Lanius is no exception. This compact UAV is capable of working in groups of 3, and can perform a range of tasks, from finding a person to indoor mapping and target classification. The operator only needs to give general commands, and the drones will automatically avoid obstacles. With a payload of 150 grams and a flight time of around 7 minutes, these drones can be moved on larger-based drones to conserve energy. According to the manufacturer, these capabilities will be useful for both military and law enforcement applications. Keep an eye out for the Lanius drone, as it could revolutionize the way we use UAVs. Looking towards a better future, the Nemo container mobile mortar system was completed in February of this year after years of development. This innovative system, first unveiled in 2017, is contained within a 6-meter container and comes equipped with 120mm mines, as well as all necessary materials for autonomous operation. What makes the Nemo system truly remarkable is its ability to be fired from the ground, as well as from the deck of a ship or a truck. With a crew of just 3 people, the system is protected by the customer's choice of armor, including ceramic armor. As the creators of the system proudly state, the world has never seen anything like it before. With the Nemo system, we can look forward to a brighter and more secure future. Behold an engineering marvel, a firearms training simulator that looks like a video game. With different scenarios that include location, weather conditions, time of day, and other parameters, this simulator takes everything into account from trigger pressure to sight position. Instructors can also view detailed statistics that are processed by artificial intelligence, making it an efficient training tool. Suitable for group training, the simulator's main purpose is to help instructors work as efficiently as possible. It's an incredible tool that will surely revolutionize the way we train in the firearms industry. Have fallen off the radar, but its concept still intrigues many. The PL-01, a stealth tank prototype from Poland, boasted a design that covered the entire vehicle with a material that absorbed radio waves and offered thermal camouflage. Based on the Swedish CV9120T light tank, it was equipped with a 120mm gun that was compatible with NATO projectiles and able to launch guided missiles. The PL-01 also featured an unmanned turret with remote control, a cross-country speed of up to 50 km per hour, and a 500-km range with an engine power of around 940 horsepower. Despite the lack of news surrounding the project, the PL-01 has made appearances in video games like GTA Online and Armored Warfare. It remains to be seen if this once promising tank prototype will ever become a reality. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.